Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. So in the first step, click here and type run, then click here to open it. Now type here sysgm.cpl and then click on OK. Now it will open system properties. Then go to advanced tab and click on settings. Now click on data execution prevention and check this option. Then add setup file and then click on apply. OK. Click on OK and close this window. In the next step, go to search bar and then type Windows Security and click here to open it. Now on this window, just click on virus and threat protection. You need to scan your system. After that, just go back and then click on manage settings. Then turn off this option. So click on S and close this window. In the next step, click here and search for task manager, then open it. On this window, click on file, then click on run new task and select browse. Now select this PC and open C drive. After that, open Windows folder and search for system32 folder. Then open it, and from here you have to select CMD file and then click on open. Now click here and simply type space dash dash update and then click on OK. Now type here gp update space slash force and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt. In the final step, click here and type rstrui, then run with administrator. Then click on next and select restore file and click on finish. And you need to restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.